everybody. So I'm here at the studio and I decided I wanted to do a quick little feature on my favorite thing in the studio. It's this wall right here. Yes, it's a wall, it moves, it's on wheels, but it's 10 foot wide and 9 foot tall, and you can see it holds all my, well, not all of mine, but some paper rolls up here which I can switch in and out. Just this week I painted it matte black, put a couple little features on there, but this is just drywall, so it can be done however I want. So I can redo that later and make it a different color or whatever. And then obviously I have my background system here that's real easy to pull the paper up and down. And then it's so easy to move. It's on wheels, so I can just roll it around. And then on the back side, well, you can see here, it's basically storage. So I've got tripod hangers and everything here. I've got some storage down here for stuff. And then this side I can hang backdrops too. Currently I have a brick wall here. It's faux brick wall obviously, but that's actually one of my favorite backdrops too, because it looks pretty good on camera. But this is one of my favorite things. I can't tell you where to go buy one because my dad made it for me, my awesome dad. He does great things for me all the time, and so I'm very spoiled that way. But it's a really cool feature in the studio because it can move all around. We can shoot against it with natural light or with studio lights, and it is amazing. So shout out to my pops for building this awesome wall. And yeah, maybe we'll do some more videos about other things we have here. All right, see ya.